Today our topic is differentiation. Before that, let us discuss the idea of calculus. Here, calculus, which was developed during 1646 to 1716 by Leibniz, and that calculus is of two types. One is differential calculus, and another is integral calculus. And this differential calculus consisting of limit, continuity, derivative, and application of derivative. And in case integral calculus, it is of two types. One is indefinite integration, and another is zero definite integral. And next is area problems. So for class 12 standards, we are discussing about the differentiation or this is derivatives. So let us discuss about the differentiations or derivatives. So now the concept of differentiations suppose here is a curve, this is a curve, this is y is equal to fx. Here a function y is equal to a function of x, and these equations, this is the curve, and the equation of this curve is y is equal to fx. Let any point p be any point and q is another point. Let this coordinate is xy, and this coordinate let it be x plus del x and y plus del y. So del x means, suppose this distance is del x and this is y, so this distance is 0 del y. So the coordinate is xy and this coordinate is x plus del x plus y plus del x. So here y is equal to fx, so this is equation 1, and because delta x is the increment over x up to this x, and this is del x. So this total distance is x plus del x, and this is y, means this is y, and this is del y. So this distance is y plus del y. So delta x be the increment over x, and delta y be the increment over y, so that y plus delta y is equal to f x plus del x. Let this equation is 2, and from equation 1 and 2 we have that is y plus delta y minus y plus del y minus y is equal to f x plus del x minus fx. Here y and y cancel, and we have your del y is equal to f x plus del x minus fx. So here del x, and next we divide delta x and again delta x, and taking limit to both sides, and here as delta x tends to 0 and delta x tends to 0. So delta x tends to 0 means, so this is delta x gap. This gap is delta. This gap is delta x. Delta x tends to 0. Delta x tends to 0 means this getting closer, and closer, so that we'll have the point Q will coincide with the point P. Whenever delta x tends to 0, the point Q will coincide with the point P. So we have limit delta y by delta x tends to 0 is equal to limit fx plus del x minus fx by del x tends to 0, and this is dy by dx. This is written as dy by dx is equal to limit f x plus del x minus fx whole divided by delta x, and this is delta x tends to 0, and this is known as, is called derivative or differentiation. And the whole process, whenever delta x tends to 0, the point q getting closer to p, and the whole process is nothing but it is the differentiations. Now let us discuss some formulas. One, d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1, 2, 6. Derivative of sin x is cos x. 3 cos x is equal to minus sin x. 4 tan x, this x square x, and I divide x of cot x is equal to minus cos x square x. 6 divide x of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. Next cosec x, and it will be minus cosec x into cot x, and this is about algebraic function, and this is about trigonometric function. Next, now sin inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square root over divide x of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by this one, minus 1 by 1 minus x square root over, and next tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, and divide x of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. And next 12 divide x of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by x into x square minus 1 root over 13 divide x of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x into x square minus 1 root. So this is all about inverse trigonometric functions. Next, so divide x of 8 over x is 8 over x ln a 15 divide x of e over x is equal to e over x 16 divide x of log x to the base a is equal to 1 by x ln a 17 ln x is equal to 1 by x, and 18 divide x of constant is 0, and next 19 divide x of cube loss v. Whenever between loss addition form, that is d by dx loss d by dx, and 20 divide x of uv u dy dx plus v dy dx 21 dy dx is lambda u, is nothing but lambda dy dx, and you could take 22 dy dx of u v w will be